So here's how to check trending videos in TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up my TikTok. And from here on the right bottom side, you will probably see this profile icon. Just simply tap on that. And then from the right upper side, you will probably see the three dots. So tap on the three dots and simply go with this TikTok Studio. Now, when you scroll it down in the bottom, then you can see the trending. So there are lots of trending topics right here, which is now trending. As you can see, this video is getting like 81 million views. So if you want to explore all of these, then you can simply go and tap on the view all. Now from here you can see all of the things. So if you want to see which is the topics, so if you want to filter the topics, then you can simply select this option. Then from here you can filter the topics that you are interested in. So you can simply go with the beauty, style, talent, and many more options available here. You can simply filter by, and from here you can also filter by like the countries. So that's how you can simply check. So that's how you can simply check trending topics in TikTok. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.